Wonder Pets, you've got some friends coming to visit.
Uh-oh, there's an animal in trouble.
There's an animal in trouble. Here comes Bot with the Umi car. He's gonna help the Wonder Pets. Hey everybody, it's been a long time since we did some Unizoomi toys. When I saw these, I just had to get them and share them with you. This is the Umirific Umi car. Oh wow, I love this toy. It is awesome. My 3-year-old adores his Umirific Umi car. And it includes a Millie, Gio, and Bot. So we're going to get that out of the box and put all the characters inside the Umi car. We also have 3 toys over here. And this is Millie in her Umi plane. Whoa, and these are from Fisher-Price. Look at that. And it is a roll-along vehicle. So that is really cool. And we've got Bot with his mini Umi car. Look at that. It's so little. And only Bot fits inside. And then over here we've got Gio and his Umicopter. I cannot wait to get these all out of the box. So let's go ahead and open up one of these small ones first. Let's open up Millie and her Umi plane. Get her out of here. And here is her Umi plane. And it has the numbers 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. Now let's get Millie out. Look at that. She's got her pink dress on and her pigtails. And then we can sit her right inside her vehicle. Wow, that's super cool. And it rolls. Woo! It rolls really fast, you guys. Millie, I love your airplane. Whoosh! She's flying. Now, let's get Bot and his little Umi car out. We're going to have to get the big Umi car out, too. And here's Bot. And Bot's always helping Millie and Gio when they're doing rescues and helping people throughout Umi City. And here is his little car. And he snaps right inside. Woo! What a cute car. It's like a baby Umi car. Aw. It's mommy Umi car and baby Umi car. And let's get Gio out. And then we're going to get the Umirific Umi car. Woohoo! Here we go, Gio. Here is our Gio figurine. Very nice. And he's got shapes on his belt. And his helicopter. Ooh, that looks like it's really fast. And now Gio's does not have wheels on the bottom, so his doesn't roll. It just flies. And we're going to put Gio in here. Now you're snapped in. Woo! And he is off to the rescue in Umi City. So we've got all 3 of the little vehicles out. Now it's time to get the Umirific Umi car out. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Get it opened up. And get our figurines out. And I think these figurines are exactly the same, but we'll check and make sure there's no differences. So here are our two bots. Yep, they look the same. And our two Millies. And two Gios. Now it's time for the Umicar. Here he is. It's the Umicar. And this lifts open like that so that we can put all of our characters inside. And we're going to put Millie right here and Gio. And then we're going to put Bot in the back seat. Look at that. Then you can close the lid. And we have our Umicar. Wow. And on the back it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Umicar is Umirific. Here is my son's Umicar. And here is our new one. And you can see they're almost identical. Now my son's little figures, they've lost a little bit of paint. But other than that, they are almost identical. Like that. And there is the Umicars. We've got two of those. Now what we have back here is our Wonder Pet schoolhouse. We found this at a thrift store. I was really excited to find it with all of the characters. Look at this. Here's Ming Ming. And they can come down this way and get on the flyboat. They're coming down. Woohoo! Oh, he made it. And you can put them on their little flyboat. There we go. Wonder Pets, Wonder Pets. We're on our way. Woo! And they've got their little schoolhouse right here. But wait, Wonder Pets, you've got some friends coming to visit.
Uh-oh, there's an animal in trouble.
There's an animal in trouble. Here comes Bot with the Umicar. He's gonna help the Wonder Pets. Thank you, Bot.
What's gonna work? Teamwork.
Teamwork's gonna work. We need the whole team here. Meow. It's Millie in her Umi plane. Don't worry, Wonder Pets. The team is almost here.
Great job. To the flyboat. To the flyboat.
To the flyboat. Gio has his own flyboat. Look at this. He has a helicopter. Wonder Pets, we're on our way. We've got a team with Unizoomi today.
An animal needs our help in the tree.
An animal needs their help in the tree. Bot to the rescue. And Millie, she can fly high to the top of the tree. And so can Gio. Don't worry, Wonder Pets.
Uh-oh, there's an animal in trouble.
Ming Ming will get that kitty cat out of the tree. Meow.
Let's go, Wonder Pets.
Let's go, Wonder Pets. Whoa, don't crash the flyboat. We're all on the way. Here's the kitty we saved from the tree. It's Chloe from Secret Life of Pets. Don't worry, Chloe, if you ever get caught in a tree again, we'll be here. The Umizoomi team with Wonder Pets. I really enjoyed showing you all these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.